Good day, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create a PLC program on our automation studio. So as you can see, we have the same setup as what we had in our electrohydraulic circuit, right? So we are going to use the same motion sequence, the A plus, A minus, and reset or general sequence, and the same motion sequence. So what we are going to do is we will first create our electrical electrical part. So this is a different one from our electrohydraulics. Okay, so I want you to listen very, very carefully on how we are going to do it. So the same, we will have to use power supply 24 and 0. Let's drag it a little bit better. Okay, so the same, we are going to use a push button switch, normally open. But this time, in our electrical, we will call it S0. And then we will connect the input component there from our PLC. So we click workshops to go to our PLC ladder logic, and we click bit and rung, and then the input symbol. So we will connect it here, and we will call this I0. So this one here will connect our electrical and our PLC circuits. Okay, this is in our input part. So our next input here is I3. So again, this is a sensor. So we are going to get a sensor from our electrical control US format library. So we're going to use same symmetry switch, normally open. So this will be S3, and we'll just copy this PLC input here, and this will be I3, and then we'll just copy this one and this line because we are going to use the same. So this will be S2, and this will be I3. This one here will be for our output. So we have two outputs, the Q1 and the Q2. So let's get our output from output components. Our solenoid. I'm gonna put here, this will be Q1, another solenoid for Q2. And we will get our output, PLC output, RAM here to connect our electrical and our PLC. And then we will use our electrical wire here. Okay, so we're done. And so next we are going to proceed to our PLC. So it workshops and go to PLC ladder logic and let's create our rung. Here click the rung so that we can create our PLC ladder program here. So our electrohydraulics, this is the setup. So we are going to convert this into the PLC program. So from our topic, we have let's go to it. We have the examine if closed and examine if open, right? So this time we will use the examine if closed. So this is just equivalent to a normally open contact in the relay logic. Oh wait, not yet. I forgot it is switch. Start with the switch. I mean it's correct. Go back to our bit. Examine if closed. So that would be our I0. This is a switch and this will be pushed here. So since it is connected because of this, then it will be okay. Okay, next, what was next here? The normally closed contact for our reset. So in PLC, that would be examine if open. So since we are just going to copy it, let's already put it. And next will be our output energize. Let's position it here. This would be M0. So we will just drag this closer to M0. Okay, and then we will have the maintaining contact. We examine if open from M0. So we're done with our next line. Next line will be I3. So we will still use examine if closed. I3 again. This is the sensor and it is connected here. Then a normally open again. Examine if closed and in relay logic it's normally open. From M0 for our step marker and then output for our while M1 and our maintaining contact M1. Let me move this. Okay. So next line would be the I2. So again, examine if closed. I2. Then examine if closed again for the step marker M1 and our output M2. Again, our last coil will be our reset contact. So here's M2. Then we will connect it, we'll connect it using the wrong link. Not electrical wire, but not wrong link, since we are already in PLC. This is a PLC part. So yeah, we just converted our electrical to PLC. Okay, we're done with our control. We will add our power circuit, this one, and this circuit we will connect this into our PLC. So to add the RAM, just drag that down. Okay, so just like power circuit here, let's put a normally open and normally close, and then the solenoid. So again, we will go to our RAM and then examine it close. This will be M0 and go back and just drag that here. And we'll put examine it open. What is this? M1. Let's check. AM0 M1 4 Q1. And then output Q1. In Q2, we have M1 and M2. Sum it closed. M1. Examine it open. M2. And then output Q2. So again, let's connect them to the wrong link. So the two circuits are just going to connect through the tagging. So make sure that you have the same tags. This one and this one. Okay, I think we're all set. So let's go run our program. So we will click that here since this is our electrical part. And it will connect to the PLC through this. Okay, so I'll start it. S3 is not, okay. We will change this. We'll make this S. Since this is our hardware, this will be S2 and S3. I'm sorry, I forgot about it. Okay, so this should retract on its own. Okay, we got it. Okay. Again, slow motion. In slow motion. When S3 is detected, it will automatically retract. Yes, energize Q2 and then retract. So that's it. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you.